This is my sensory aid video blog. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. So on the first slide, there are multiple things wrong. First of all, the background is lime green and the text color is yellow, making it super hard to read, and from afar you would definitely not be able to see what the slide is saying. So another thing that's wrong with it is that the title is spelt wrong, Prts is spelt wrong, and the words on cloud should be capitalized because they're the name of the brand. Also, all of the bullet points are in different fonts, which is going to make it super hard to understand and stay focused on what is actually trying to be presented. Along with that, the picture is stretched out and not aligned with anything on the page, and honestly just looks like it's been slapped on there. Next, I have the mission of the On Cloud shoe, and basically what's wrong with this page is a couple things. It's, first of all, too plain, there's nothing going on, and there's also way too much information. And if the audience is busy reading the information on the slide, then they're not going to be focused on what you're saying, and you're not going to get your point across because they're going to be focusing on reading so much on the slide, and it's just going to deter them from what you're actually trying to say. Next, I have the types of on-cloud shoes. This one is a little bit better than the other ones, but not much. The background of the slide is dark purple, which is way too dark, and it's going to make it hard to see the words because the font color is black. Also, all of the bullet points are different sizes and they're not aligned with each other, which is going to be distracting. And all of the pictures also just look like they've been kind of slapped on there. They're not in any sort of order or anything, and they're not the same size, or nothing about them is organized. So moving on to how I fixed them, this is my changed parts of the On Cloud shoe. So I changed it to where the background was a cool tone, the picture was like lined up with the middle, and you could see what the picture was, and I added a border around the picture, and then I made sure that all of the font sizes were the same, and that the font was all white on top of the blue to make it easy to read. Next, I changed this one by taking most of the information out and again changing the background to dark blue because the cool tones are better in presentations. The picture, I changed the picture and I made sure that it was in the middle, and I added a border to it as well. And then for this one, I changed the whole thing again, changed the background to where it was the same as the other ones. I added the picture and the border to complement what I was saying, and I took out most of the info. Well, the info, I just changed the info and I made sure that it was all lined up and the same size to where that it was easy to read and understand. Okay, that's all. Thank you.